Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Quick video before I head off to class. Walgreens winter clothes, so there's scarves, hat, mittens, slippers, and gloves. I think that's everything. It all hit 90% today. My sign does say 70%, but it is indeed 90%. So there's some scarves down here. These men's slippers, the tag says $10. Yes, so that means they're only going to be $1 at the register. Same thing for these women's slippers. The tag is $10, so they're just going to be $1 at the register, and these are extremely cute. Over here, see, my sign says 50%, so they're behind. Don't believe the signs. Just run to your store. These socks are going to be 10%, well, 10 cents. You guys know I love socks. These gloves are going to be just 30 cents, so just run to your nearest Walgreens and stock up on these winter items. You can stock up for next year. You can donate. So yes, just run. I just wanted to let you guys know. I'm just going to be showing you guys in this video some of the stuff that my store has. Your store may have more, your store may have less, but the fact is your Walgreens winter clothes items are 90% off. Now I did find this cute little hat, this gray hat, and because it's on clearance, it's only going to be $1, and it also matches the scarves as well. So I think I'm going to pick up the hat and also a scarf to match. So you guys, this is my cart so far. I did, however, find this Kendall Trio Set, I think on a Kendall aisle, but these were also a part of the Valentine's Day clearance. So I'm going to scan these at the register and see what the total is. So you guys, this is where I found the candles, and I was right. I knew these were a part of the Valentine's Day clearance. So they're 90% off. They're only $1.49. Originally $14.99. So if you see these candles at your store, pick them up because why not? So you guys, that's all I have in this video. Don't forget to show your girls some love. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell below so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, so everything in my cart came to a total of $14.27 before tax. So including tax, it was just $15.27. So an amazing deal, and I did end up picking up all three sets of the candles. Yeah, so I love you guys so much. Don't forget to always be a blessing to someone, and always remember to scan. I love you guys, and until next time, bye.